Here we go.
At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sloan's Valley, Oregon, 10 miles southeast of Somerset, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source, the National Weather Service.
Jacoby's World.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson.
Well, not as loud as this one.
We have just activated the public warning alarm.
This white one.
Test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system.
This one has a loud sound.
This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Housley, Perry, and Pike. And in West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo. And in Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming. This hazardous weather outlook is for the following Kentucky counties: Knox, Laurel, McCreary, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Wayne, and Whitley. Day 1, today and tonight. Frost is possible late tonight, mainly in valleys.
It's going to do it again
For
in a
the
second.
period Thursday through Tuesday.
Yeah, it's going to do it again in a second. You'll hear that low. Here we go. I don't know. Does it twice.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
This one lit up, but it didn't.
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we'll activate the signal only for the following counties, which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded